Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use Google Play Store on your Realme XIAOMI Redmi 10C. So in order to fix that, we'll need to move to our settings. From here, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Go for date and time, and here enable use network provided time. Go back, open Google Chrome, let's reload the page. As you can see, it works properly, and the same as with Google Play Store. It starts normally, we can open and install any app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.